Today I'm going to show you how to fix a toilet seat. As you can see, it's not lined up properly. It is moved over a little bit, and it's because the screws on the toilet have become loose. I'm going to show you how to fix it. First thing I'm going to need is either a flathead screwdriver or your classic butter knife. Next, I'm going to go in here, and they're going to pop these things up right here. There's these little hinge things. I'm just going to take the butter knife or flathead screwdriver and open them up, and inside there's a screw. Okay, there's a plastic screw, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen the screw. Okay, loosen the screw. They should be easy. If not, you might have to put a little bit of elbow grease in them. And then, like, once they're loosened, I'm going to scoot the toilet to where it needs to be. All right, scoot it so it's even. Did you see that? I just made it even. All right, and then I'm going to go back in and tighten the screw, and then put the flaps back down. And that's how you fix a crooked toilet bowl seat.